How much is a Sony 32-inch smart TV? A 32-inch Sony smart TV is a compact and affordable option for smaller spaces such as bedrooms or kitchens, offering smart functionality with access to streaming apps and other features. The price of a 32-inch Sony smart TV depends on the model, resolution, and additional features such as HDR support and smart platform capabilities. 1. Price range of Sony 32-inch smart TVs. The cost of a 32-inch Sony Smart TV typically falls within the following range. Basic models, priced between $250 to $350. Full HD models, usually range from $300 to $400. Smart TV models typically cost between $350 to $450, depending on the features. 2. Different Sony 32-inch Smart TV models and their pricing. Sony offers several models in the 32-inch category. Sony KDL32W600D, a 32-inch Full HD LED TV with smart features and a simple design, priced from $250 to $300. Sony Bravia KDL32W800D, a 32-inch Full HD Smart TV with better picture quality and additional streaming apps, typically priced from $300 to $400. Sony Bravia 32-inch Smart TV, Android TV. Models equipped with Android TV, access to Google Assistant, and more streaming options. Price between $350 to $450. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Sony 32-inch Smart TV depends on several factors. Resolution. Full HD models typically cost more than basic HD models. Smart features. TVs with Android TV, access to streaming apps, and voice assistants tend to be priced higher. Picture and sound quality. Models with improved sound and color processing, such as X-Reality PRO and Clear Audio Plus, may be more expensive. HDR support. Some models offer HDR support, which can enhance picture quality and increase the price. 4th, best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Sony 32-inch Smart TV, consider purchasing during holiday sales, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other seasonal promotions offer discounts. Clearance sales. Older models may be discounted when newer versions are released. Retailer-specific promotions. Some stores offer bundle deals, trade-in offers, or financing options. A 32-inch Sony Smart TV offers good value for those seeking a smaller smart television for their home. By comparing models, features, and waiting for sales events, you can find a great deal on this TV that fits your needs and budget.